Hello and welcome to the online viewing for 11 Dad's Lane. This is a 3-bedroom property upon a corner plot. And then moving into the property, and we've got the hallway here and stairs leading up to the first floor. There is also a ground floor toilet. And then we have 2 reception rooms and the kitchen. The first reception room here, facing towards the front of the property. Nice bay window. And then around to the rear reception room. Really nice size and having a door leading out to the rear garden. And then we have the kitchen with the boiler located just here on the left hand side, and then a further door out into the garden. And onto the first floor landing. We have 3 bedrooms and bathroom up here. Starting with the biggest bedroom here, which faces towards the rear, overlooking the garden. Bedroom also facing towards the rear. And then we have bedroom 3, good size, and this one which faces towards the front aspect. Shower room with toilet, wash basin, and walk-in shower with an electric shower above. Okay, then just moving outside, we have an area here at the side and gated access leading back through to the front of the property. And then just looking back at the property, that completes the online viewing. If you'd like to arrange a physical viewing, then do give us a call as soon as you can. Thanks very much. Bye for now.